Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with another video, and in this one we're going to show you a new VPN app that can help you get a stable connection while browsing online. This app is already available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, I recommend subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting whenever something is unclear so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN app we are using today, which is IHome VPN. This app helps you enjoy a smooth and secure browsing experience. From the list of results, select the correct app by checking the name and the icon. Once you've found it, tap on it and then install the app on your device. After the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the VPN. Before we continue, remember that on this channel, we share apps and tutorials that help you improve your online browsing experience. Now let's open the app. When you reach the home screen, you'll need to apply a few simple settings so the app can provide you with a stable connection. The first step is to tap the three lines at the top. From the menu that appears, select Online Update. This updates the app's resources so you can get better performance while using it. Next, choose a server that works well in your location. Tap the server box and select a server of your choice. For this video, I recommend leaving it on Auto Server Location so the app can automatically select the best server for you. After that, you'll need to choose your country network name. Tap the network box and in the search bar type UDP. Since today's video focuses on UDP, scroll through the list and look for UDP Hysteria. Select the UDP Hysteria option. If UDP does not work in your country, you can choose a country-specific network name from the available list. Another setting you may need is extending your time if you run out of usage time while using the VPN. Simply tap the Extend Time button to continue using the VPN smoothly. Finally, to start the connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it is connected successfully. That's how you get a stable and secure internet connection using IHome VPN. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.